Today we want to do linear programming problem. Actually, this linear programming problem it has two parts. First part is formulation of linear programming problem and second part how to solve this linear programming problem. So first we will do the solving part. How to formulate later on we will learn. Today we will learn how to solve this linear programming problem. So let me show you one problem how to look at this. See, this is a linear programming problem. 2x plus 3y less equal to 12. Now to solve this, we have to find feasible region. Here it is given x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0. X greater than equal to 0 means it is in the x greater than equal to 0 and y greater than equal to 0 means it is in the first quadrant. You can draw the inequation of these two lines also, but to reduce your work, I am informing you x greater equal to 0 and y greater equal to 0 means the solution will be in the first quadrant or feasible region will be in the first quadrant. Now first we have to do similar equation of this inequation. This part you have learned in class 11. Similar equation of this inequation, you write this line. Here in place of inequation sign you give equation sign. Then the technique in the right side you bring 1. How to do? The whole equation you divide by 12. Here we are seeing that since right side 12 is there, so whole equation if we divide by 12, right side 1 will come. So here divide by 12, here also divide by 12. Then it is coming 2, 12, 2 6 is 12, 3 4 is 12. So x by 6 plus y by 6 equal to 1. Now if the equation you get x by a plus y by b is equal to 1, then x-axis intersection point is x comma 0, that a comma 0, that is 6 comma 0, and y-axis intersection point is 0 comma b, that is 0 comma 4. Every equation you have to write in this way. So a x-axis 6 comma 0, y-axis 0 comma 4 you put in a graph sheet or in a plain paper. You can do it any one place, either in graph sheet or in plain paper. So a point is 6 comma 0. I put 1 2 3 4 5 6 comma 0 and 1 2 3 4 0 comma 4. Now these 2 points you join and produce both way. This is the graph of this line, x 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now since this is equation, this is an equation, so you have to this is inequation, so you have to shade which side that shade will be. Remember one thing, the shading part will be in the first quadrant only, it will not go any other quadrant. Why? Because x greater equal to 0, y greater equal to 0. Now the next part is testing part. You take such a point which is not on the solution line. So I am taking the point here 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 testing point I am taking, and in this inequation you put the point, that is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. If you put x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, it is coming 0 less equal to 12, and it is true, really 0 less equal to 12 only. Then the true direction, this is the point, since it is true, that point direction, that is 0 0 direction, you have to draw a line. That means this way you have to draw a line. Now see, at the extreme point I am drawing two lines. You can draw the line this direction, all the lines, but remember I told the solution will be in the first quadrant. So this is the reason. This is the feasible region. Actually the feasible region means, what is the meaning of this feasible region? Why we are finding this? Because if we find solution, then the our solution will lie in this corner. You see how many corner? One, two, three. Three corners are there. If we try to solve linear programming problem, then our solution will be one point of the feasible region. In this question, they have not asked any solution. They have told only to find the feasible region. So here O A B O, start from O, end with O. Always write the name in this way. O A B O is the feasible region.